Has Urdu been replaced by Sanskrit in the Dehradun railway station signboard? Recently, a picture of the signboard at the Dehradun railway station where the writing in Urdu had been replaced by Sanskrit has gone viral on social media. This photo was also shared by BJP spokesperson Sambit Patra with the caption Sanskrit, meaning that the Urdu text in the signboard had been replaced by Sanskrit. Patra's tweet also went viral. Prior to this tweet, we found that BJP's National Vice President Vinay Sahasrabudhe had retweeted a post commending the Railway Ministry for apparently taking the decision to replace all Urdu signboards with Sanskrit in railway stations across Uttarakhand. This photo was also shared with the claim that BJP government hates Urdu and therefore is replacing all Urdu signboards with Sanskrit. So, what is the truth behind this viral photo? Well, when we got down to it, we found many news reports from January 2020 which said that the Railway Ministry had taken the decision to replace all Urdu signboards with Sanskrit in Uttarakhand. According to the reports, the decision was taken according to the rules in the railway manual. But here's the thing. We found a clarification tweet from the Divisional Railway Manager of Moradabad who said that the railways had not replaced any Urdu signboards and had no intentions of doing anything of that sort. On further digging, we found a Hindustan Times article from 15 February on this controversy. It said that when the Dehradun railway station reopened after 3 months, the signboard at the railway station had the name of the place in English, Hindi and Sanskrit instead of the original Urdu. The report also carried a picture of the signboard. Speaking to Hindustan Times, a railway official said that the new board was put up by the construction company that was renovating the railway station. She also said that the Sanskrit board was removed and replaced with the original Urdu one. We also found a report by Aaj Tak dated 14th February which carried the picture of a man pasting the Urdu sign over the Sanskrit version on the signboard of the Dehradun railway station. According to a report by the Indian Express, the genesis of this controversy is when a BJP MLA from Uttarakhand stated that all signboards in stations across the state should be written in English, Hindi and Sanskrit as the latter is the second official language of the state. The article quoted sources to say that this effort was however reversed due to negative reactions from the ground. The languages to be displayed on signboards in railway stations is dictated by rules and regulations mentioned in the Railways Works Manual. According to this document, station names should be exhibited in the regional language of the state, Hindi and English. The exception to this rule is Tamil Nadu, where Hindi use is restricted to important stations and pilgrim centers as determined by the Commercial Department. The manual further stated that in states where Hindi is the regional language, the signboards will be displayed in two languages, that is Hindi and English, except for the stations which have provision for Hindu language, which is in across 100 districts in India. For these stations, name boards also have to be displayed in Urdu. Urdu is the second official language of Uttar Pradesh, which Uttarakhand was also a part of, which is why the name board in the Dehradun railway station was written in Urdu. However, in 2010, Sanskrit was made the second official language of Uttarakhand by then Chief Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal, who said that he intended to promote the language in the state. This explains the demand for Dehradun to be written in Sanskrit on the station name board. However, as we stated earlier, while Sanskrit was on the name board for a while in February 2020, it was soon changed back to the earlier Urdu. Further, the Railways is not planning to replace Urdu names, a context that was not added by Patra in his tweet. This led to misinformation and the insinuation that Urdu names were being replaced with Sanskrit in railway station boards. If there's any such photo, video or information that you would like to get verified, write in to us at webkoof@thequint.com. Until then, like, share and subscribe to The Quint and don't be a webkoof.